Hey guys, I'm back, and this time I'm really excited about this. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for all of your love, all of your support. Thank you so much to all of you who support this channel, who like my content, who love my content. Thank you so much. And today we are talking about LG G7. LG has revamped smartphone strategy this year, vowing not to release new devices just to respond to competitors. Thus, the much anticipated G7 has apparently been cancelled or rebuilt from scratch. According to press rumors, that horror has not stopped it from leaking in full attempt to fleet to the images, as you can see on the screen, outed by Swell publication Ynet News, which also has a hands-on video up. The G7 was codenamed Neo, and its features was probably going to be 2018's top trend in the Android world. A screen notch up top, yes, it's another device inspired by the iPhone X in this regard, even though the notch is intelligently hidden by the software at times. Speaking of that, LG has opted to move the clock to the left of the notch, leaving just the signal and battery level indicators on the right. We are wondering what happens when new notifications arrive. Anyway, the 6-inch OLED display has rounded corners too and a decently small bottom bezel. Its resolution is a whopping 3120 and a 1440 with a 19.5 by 9 aspect ratio. That makes for 572 ppi pixel density, aging past that Samsung Galaxy S8 and S9 which have 570 ppi. There's an 8-megapixel wide-angle selfie camera in the notch, while on the back you get two 16-megapixel snappers, both with f1.6 aperture. The main sensor has OIS while the secondary one doesn't. The fingerprint scanner is right underneath the dual camera module. The G7 is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 845 chipset and comes with either 4GB of RAM and 64GB of memory, and a 6 and 128GB combo. The battery is a 3000 mAh cell, which seems a bit on the low side for how big and pixel dense that screen is. Sound quality should be improved by use of DTS:X technology as well as the Boombox feature, which also allows the speakers to play music at a stronger resonance when the device is placed on a less flat surface. Earlier this month, a report from the usually reliable Evan West aka L-Leaks told us that LG's next flagship is a code named Judy and arrived in June. This will allegedly not to be marketed as a G7, which means the G series is probably coming to close. Judy may in fact be what LG has deemed the replacement for the cancelled G7 shown here. The camera system on the back seems to be shared between the two, though, and even the Boombox feature is rumored for the Judy as well. On the other hand, Judy is said to employ a new AMOLED Plus screen tech and not OLED with a 6.1-inch 18 by 9 panel capable of eye-searing 800 nit brightness. It will also have the Snapdragon 845 at the hand, and you would expect from L flagship in 2018. Evan Blaze further reports that LG was also showing off the LG V35, LG Q7 and a new smartwatch at the event as well. And let me know what you guys think about it in the comments down below, and make sure to subscribe for the upcoming daily tech videos. And yeah, see you soon.